Oh, turn, turn, turn. Oh, she got stuck. Oh, there you go. Reckless driver. Wait, okay, wait. We move first. Go. Go park it, and then we gotta go. Boom. Okay, you're not that good of a driver.
I won't drive.
Park it, Charlotte. Okay. You have to park it. We have to get your brother. Let's go. Your brother's over there. Okay, let's stop her. Show you.